One morning I walk into our family room and see this. Suddenly, and out of nowhere, I have a major water leak. What's worse, I'm unable to tell what's causing it.
But before I start cutting a bunch of things out here, I want to do a little detective work to see if I can find where it's coming from.
I'm hoping this inexpensive moisture detector from General Tools and Instruments will help. When I insert the prongs into the surface, the digital display lets me know just how wet the ceiling is. By checking the moisture level at several locations, I should be able to track the water leak back to its origin.
My logic says then that the leak is probably originating somewhere in here and running in that direction. So let's go upstairs and see if we can find any clues there. Carpet is soaked.
In my daughter's bedroom, I discover wet carpet and moisture in a nearby wall. The trail then goes upward to a backflow prevention valve connected to a tub in an adjacent bathroom. To find out if water has gotten behind the wall, I bore a 1-inch hole through the wallboard and insert a small camera on a flexible shaft. The camera, also made by General, plugs directly into my laptop and gives me a look at the inside of the wall. There, things look dry. With a bit of detective work, I've discovered what happened. The backflow valve malfunctioned, discharging water onto the carpet. The water then leaked through the floor and onto the ceiling below. After replacing the valve, I remove, reinstall, and repaint the ceiling. Using the moisture detector, I've found and corrected the source of the problem, and won't have to worry about it happening again.